students, welcome to Quick Learn tutorial series. In this video, I will explain you transmission mode, simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So let us start with the topic. What is transmission mode? Transmission mode is a technique of transmitting data between two devices, or we can say that it is a way in which data is transmitted from one device to another device is known as transmission mode. It is also known as communication mode. In transmission mode, buses and networks are designed to allow communication to occur between individual devices that are interconnected. So, we can say that transmission mode basically defines the direction of data transmission. Therefore, transmission mode is also known as directional mode. Now, type of transmission mode. There are basically three types of transmission mode: simplex, half duplex and full duplex. Here in the diagram we see transmission mode is classified into three types: simplex mode, half duplex mode and full duplex mode. Here I explain all the modes in detail. So first is simplex mode. In case of simplex, the communication is unidirectional, or we can say that communication only in one direction from sender to receiver. So this is the sending device and this is receiving device. Sending device only send the data and receiving device only receive the data. So the example of the simplex is the radio station is the simplex channel, as it transmits the signal to the listener but never allow them to transmit back. Next example is keyboard and monitor is also the example of the simplex mode. Keyboard can only accept the data from the user and monitor can only display the data on the screen. So the main advantage of the simplex mode is that the full capacity of communication channel can be utilized during transmission. This is highly secure data transmission technique. Or in simplex mode, the station can utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel so that more data can transmit at a time. Now the disadvantage of simplex is communication is unidirectional. So it has no intercommunication between the device. Now second is half duplex mode. In case of half duplex mode, transmission is occur either direction but not simultaneously. It means the station can transmit or receive the data as well but not simultaneously. Here we see in the diagram, this is the device A and this is device B. First device A send data, so it is a sending device, and device B only receiving the data. After that, if device B want to send data, so device B send data and device A receive data but not at the same time. So the entire bandwidth of communication channel is utilized in one direction at a time. So in case of half duplex, messages flow in both the direction but not at the same time. We can say that the entire bandwidth of communication channel is utilized in one direction at a time. So in case of half duplex mode, it is possible to perform the error detection. And if any error is occur, then the receiver requests the sender to retransmit the data. The best example of the half duplex is walkie-talkie. In case of walkie-talkie, one party speak and another party listen. After a pause, the other speak and the first party listen. Both the party cannot speak simultaneously. This will create distortion in sound and which cannot be understood. Now the advantage of half duplex. In case of half duplex mode, both the device can send and the receive data and also can utilize the entire bandwidth of the communication channel during the transmission of data. This is the advantage of half duplex. Now the disadvantage is when one device is sending the data, the another device has to be wait. This causes the delay in sending the data at the right time. Now third case is full duplex mode. In case of full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. It means the flow of data in both the directional or simultaneously. Both data can transmit as well as receive. Here we see in the diagram, this device can send data or receive data simultaneously. So in full duplex mode, having two simplex channel, One channel has traffic moving in one direction and another channel having traffic in another direction. The full duplex mode is fast mode of communication between devices. The most common example of full duplex mode is telephone network. In telephone network, two people communicate with each other by using a telephone line. Both can talk and listen at the same time. Advantage of full duplex mode is both the station can transmit and receive at the same time. The disadvantage of full duplex mode is if there is no dedication path exists between the device, then the capacity of communication channel is divided into two parts. Now the difference between simplex, half duplex and full duplex. First difference is direction of communication. In case of simplex, the communication is unidirectional. Only one device can send and another device can receive. In case of half duplex, in half duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional but not at the same time. One device can transmit and receive both but not at the same time. In case of full duplex mode, the communication is bidirectional. It means that one device can transmit and receive at the same time. Next, send or receive. In case of simplex, a device can only send the data but cannot receive it, or a device can only receive the data but cannot send it. In case of half duplex, both the device can send and receive data but not at the same time. In case of full duplex, both the device can send and receive data simultaneously. Now the performance. The performance of the half duplex mode is better than simplex mode. The performance of the full duplex mode is better than half duplex mode. And the full duplex mode is better performance alone simplex and half duplex mode. It double the utilization capacity of the communication channel. Now the example of simplex, half duplex and full duplex. So the example of simplex is radio communication, keyboard and monitor are the best example of simplex. Half duplex, walkie-talkie is the example of half duplex, and full duplex, the example of full duplex is telephone network.